In this section, we're going to look at how to apply designs to a basic presentation. Now, here's my first presentation I've created. It kind of does the job, but to put it mildly, it's a little bit boring looking. So I'll click on the first slide here, and we'll have a look at the title slide. Now, if you want to add design very easily, what you do is you've got these tabs up the top here. Normally you use the Home tab, the next one is the Insert tab, and then you've got the Design tab. And you notice here you've got various themes here that, with different designs. Now, if I just simply move the mouse pointer over here, maybe this one here, I haven't clicked on anything, I've just moved the mouse pointer over it. You can see it went from looking like this to looking like that. So all of a sudden it's kind of more interesting. Move it over here, looks like that. This one, or this one, or this one, or this one here, or this one. You kind of get the idea? So you get this preview. I haven't clicked on anything, I'm just moving the mouse pointer over it. So I go from this to this. Much more interesting. Or I can go to this one here, a little bit over the top maybe. Over here you've got variants. So you've got these designs here. Now if you click on this down arrow you think, oh, more designs, so you just move over here. So you can have that one, maybe this one. So let's click on that one. As you can see, that's applied to all the slides within my presentation. So if I click on the next slide here, I mean, how easy was that? All of a sudden it's starting to look interesting. If you think, maybe that's a bit over the top, I can click on the down arrow, maybe select something else. So this last one here, maybe that one, or maybe this one, let's click on that. And again, that applies to all the slides. So my title slide will look like that. And as you can see, minimal effort is looking interesting. That's pretty good, isn't it? Let's go down here and see what else we've got. Let's maybe that one, this one, let's try that one. There again, it's applied to all the slides. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could change the alignment and the colors and the fonts and all the rest of it. But this is just an easy way of applying different sort of formatting, a different look and feel, if you like. Let's try this one, a little bit simpler. That's quite elegant. Let's go back and let's see what else we've got. Something like that. Maybe this one here, let's try that one. Again, look, it's applied to all of the different slides here. So you go from this one to this one to that one. That's kind of cool. Let's have a look at some of the other things here. Maybe this one. Or how about this one? Again, it sort of changes the layout, changes the fonts, changes the colors. So the title will look like that, and the rest of them look like that. One of the great things about the themes is the theme applies consistent formatting to all the different slides within your presentation, because there's nothing worse than having one slide using different fonts and different colors from all the others. So, you've probably seen these yourselves where you look at a presentation and every other slide is different from every other slide, and it just doesn't look very professional. Whereas this, you've got uniform, consistent formatting all the way through. Let's check out some of the other ones. Let's look at this one here maybe. There you go, another style. As you can see, there's an awful lot in here. Maybe, let's have a look. Maybe that one. There you go. Looks like so. So the first slide looks like that, and then down here. You might think, well, yeah, I kind of like it, but maybe I'd like different colors. Well, these are the themes here. Over here you've got variants, so if I just move over here, that gives you a green variant, or a red one, or a black one. So let's say you wanted a green one, like so. Again, notice that's applied to all the different styles. So if we pick maybe this theme here, so we try a different theme, and then maybe wanted a green color, or a kind of a purpley or a red color, there you go. Sometimes they do look a little bit over the top, to be honest, so you don't want to do anything that's too sort of garish. This one here is quite nice. It gives you an orange by default, but of course if you go up here you can have a blue or a green or a purple. Let's try the blue one. And again, instantly, that's applied to all the different slides within your presentation. I think you'll agree that's not bad. And so far, all I've done is I've opened up PowerPoint, I've typed in a couple of slide headers and some basic information in the bottom bit here. I've applied to different designs, and that's it. But as I say, it's looking kind of nice, I reckon. And again, you can go back here, look at the title again. So I'd encourage you to experiment with applying these different designs. Just try them out. Let's try one more. Maybe this one here. There you go. If you don't like the color, maybe you like a blue color, a bit more corporate sometimes. There you go. So let's put this nice chunky border around the side. If you click on this down arrow here, you'll find there's lots more you can change. So I won't go into it just now, but I think you'll get the idea. If I click on where it says colors, there's all these different options. So if I just move the mouse pointer down here, there's all these different options there. If you look at fonts, again, if I just simply move down here, see, I don't have to click on anything. I just move down, find one that suits your particular presentation, and you can change the fonts and the colors, no problem. Background styles, if you want those changed, like so, you can just move it around and it will change the background accordingly. So as I say, you need to just sort of dive in, create a sort of sample presentation like I've done here, and just experiment. If you suddenly decide, that's not so great, as I say, you can always click back up here and just change it as a click of a mouse button. And I say you've got these variants over here, so we go for something like, maybe something like that, and apply that to everything. So as I say, the best way to learn is just create a sample presentation, dive in, check out these themes and variants, and just experiment.